we've got our 1997 LX450, aka Land Cruiser. I just replaced the hood struts up front. Check out the other video for those. Made a massive difference. Let me show you the trunk struts, hatch struts, whatever you want to call them. So I'm gently lifting up here. Let's see when the struts have enough juice to lift a hatch on their own. Still no, still no, no, no. Not really any, not enough pressure left in there to lift the hatch on their own at all. It'll stay wherever I put it, but that's about it. So what we're gonna do is replace the struts. There's one on this side, and there's one on that side, right there. On this end, and on the other end. On the hatch, you've got 2 bolts that hold this bracket on, and on the bottom, you have another 2 bolts here and here that hold the bottom section on. So we're gonna grab the tools, take these 2 off, and then the top ones. That way we don't risk scratching anything. We'll take the bottom piece off first. And I'm gonna get a pole or a rod or something to hold this up, because as soon as I take one of these off, this is gonna wanna fall down. There's really no pressure left in these struts. So always put a support or something underneath the hatch. Let's get started. We've got this guy off, both ends of it off. We've got a pole there supporting the hatch so that it's not falling down. And now what you want to do is compare it against the new ones and see which one you got to use. For the hood in the front of the truck, they're actually different for each side. The brackets are different, and you got to make sure to use the correct one on the correct side. For the back, let's see. They're all the same on that side, and on this side, looks like they're all the same as well. So you can use either one. So I'm gonna grab this one, and we're gonna go get it put on and see how this works. Now these are directional. So the housing of the strut versus the rod that comes out of the strut, they're gonna go on the correct ends. If you forget, use the other side as reference, or just watch this video. The side with the housing goes on top. Side with the rod protruding from the housing goes on the bottom. I'm going to start with the top. So we're going to get this end bolted to those 2, get it tightened up and everything, and then come down and work on the bottom side. We've got this side bolted on, nice and tight. The top is nice and tight and on there, and so is the bottom. So we're all good there. We got the driver's side strut replaced as well. So now let's test out how well this magic works. All right, hatch is closed. Let's do the same test as last time. Okay, it's locked. Unlock. All right. Gently, just grabbing it. Whoa. And it's flying open. It's almost like the new fancy cars where they open themselves. It's closed. All right, let's try this again. It's unlatched. Let's try this gently. That's it. And bam, it's open like magic. I'm gonna put the link down in the description for these struts. I think there were maybe 25 or 30 bucks for a set of 4, 2 of them for the hatch in the rear and 2 of them for the hood. It's Amazon Prime, gets delivered, I think it was next day for me. Super quick, very inexpensive, makes it much more pleasurable to use your vehicle on a regular basis. Highly recommend replacing these every couple of years. They always wear out, and it drives me nuts, especially when they get real old and the hood or the hatch will fall down and hit my head. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. lots more videos on this type of content if you look through the channel and the videos I've uploaded. And enjoy, and see you next time.